Hi guys, so when we are talking about Indian food, we're talking about the onion. The basic rule, what I emphasize all the time, the basic rule for Indian food, the base is the onion paste. So onion is very versatile in cooking. So how do we cut onion, right? It's basic. How do you do it? So there are three ways to do it. One is chopping, one is dicing, and one is slicing. Okay, so now when you're chopping this onion, you gotta see this is the whole thing which holds it together. So you go and you go score it all the way to the end. But look at my knife, how it is going. It's just slicing it, right? And then go it all the way to the end, and then you make slices. Let me put this up here. You can make it as thin you want. And then look at this knife. I can either take this knife and cut it like this way, or I usually take my bigger knife and cut it the same way. Okay, so this is fine dices now. Look at that. And then if I want to make it finer, then I use this knife and go with my fingers and keep on chopping on this. This is how you chop garlic and how you chop onions very fine also. So this a bigger knife is very important in your kitchen. So now this is the topper tip. So this was chopping. Now if you want to make it a little bigger, you don't have to slice it, you just cut. This is dicing. When you're making salads or anything like that, that's dicing. You see they're bigger. Now this dices, I can chop them finer. Now this is slicing. When you're going slicing, you can go better this way slicing, because then this will come apart real fast. Okay, so if I go this way, I take this off and you see this slice. So what happens is this separates real fast. Instead of this one being long like this separates real fast at this side. So this is what is required when we're making biryanis or browning it or anything like that. This is how you want slices like that. So this is the three tips. The topper tip for slicing, dicing, and chopping onions.